So our 12th question is prove that tan inverse bracket under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x is equals to pi by 4 and minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, where minus x range is minus 1 by 2 under root 2 and 1, or if tan inverse bracket max minus 2 divided by x minus 4 plus tan inverse bracket max plus 2 x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is equals to pi by 4. Find the value of x. So we have two questions. Let's solve the first one. So the solution for the first one will be, this is our given equation, tan inverse under root 1 plus x and minus x. Pi by 4 is equals to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. X range is this. In LHS left hand side, we can put x is equals to cos 2 theta. Let's assume we put x equals to cos theta. We get tan inverse under root 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by under root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we get this equation in the left hand side. After that, we just simply solve the cos 2 theta equations. After solving, we get tan inverse under root 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin 2 theta sin square theta and under root 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta. After solving this, we get tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta. As we can write this as we can write this 1 minus tan theta 1 plus theta, because we can take cos theta common from both numerator and denominator. We get 1 minus tan theta plus 1 by tan theta, and the cos theta will be cancelled when we take the common. After that, we get this. After putting the solving the equation of 1 plus tan theta 1 minus tan theta plus 1 plus tan theta is equals to 10. We can take the pi by 4 which equals to 1, and we can write it as 10 pi by 4, because the value of 10 pi by 4 is equals to 1. This is equals to 1. So we can write that equation like this. After that, we can write the formula with the formula of 10a minus 10b upon divided by 1 plus 10a into 10b. We can write it as 10 inverse 10a minus b. So we get this equation by that formula. As we know, pi by 4 minus theta's range will be x equals to cos 2 theta. So theta cos minus x square. The range will be this. Then we can write theta is as cos minus x by 2. By that we get, after that we just cancel tan into tan inverse, we get this. After that we just solve, we can x is equals to cos theta, we can let where theta will be cos minus x by 2. So we can write theta as this, pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. which is equals to RHS. This is the first question answer. So let's just get to second. So the second question will be tan inverse x plus x minus 2 upon x minus 4. This is x minus 2 it's equal divided by x minus 4 plus my tan inverse x plus 2 x plus 4 is equals to 1 pi by 4. This is given. We use the formula of a we use the formula 10a plus 10b is equals to a plus b 1 minus a into b. So we get this equation is equals to pi by 4. After that we just multiply and solve the equation. We get tan inverse x minus 2 into x plus 4 plus my x plus 2 into x minus 4 x minus 4 into x plus 4 minus my x minus 2 into x plus 4 is equal to pi by 4. From there we can take tan inverse to this side, from which we get 10 pi by 4 whose value is equals to 1. So we can write this equation equals to 1. After solving this equation we get this. After solving we get this equation is equals to 1. We just simply put the values. We just cancel x square. Here we cancel and here we add. We just solve this. We get 2x square minus 16 divided by minus 12 is equals to 1. We get 2x square is equals to minus 12 plus 16 is equals to 4, where we can write it x square is equals to 2 and x equals to 1 plus minus under root 2. This is our answer. Thank you.